we should not give more emphasis on generating or creating more and more landfill sites, because landfill sites are not good for health, for environment. You see, this is the Gazipur landfill site, which is spread in more than 72 acres, and surrounding area you can just see. This is the Nala which is going nearby, and the water is totally black color, and all the plastic is being thrown. People will come on this bridge and they will simply throw this plastic in the Nala. This side you can see the plastic which is brought by municipal corporation vehicles. It is thrown here, and we'll walk and you can see this entire road, how bad is the situation. And that side people are living. There are some residential areas below this bridge also. There are some residential areas and people are living there, and they are suffering. There are so many drawbacks of this landfill sites. Basically, it releases lot of air pollutants in the form of particulate matters, and this particulate matter keep on floating in the air, and it can result into some very severe diseases in the form of respiratory disease, as well as chronic obstructive pulmonary disease and heart disease, that is heart attack and heart stroke. These are the major diseases which are caused by this air pollutants which are released from this landfill site. Beside this, there is one more danger which is coming, that is microplastics, which large number of microplastics are in the Delhi's air, and this plastic, every one person inhale 21 microplastic in a single day. And these microplastics are again becoming part of our body, and it will create some health problems, especially development of the brain and behavioral changes, and especially women who are pregnant, the pregnancy related problems and all these kind of problems will be created because of this microplastic. The World Health Organization and United Nations have already warned about the microplastics and the dust particles which are in Delhi. The highest level of dust particles, particulate matter 2.5, is in Delhi. This Delhi is worst city. And why is it so? And this solid waste, improper solid waste management is just giving additional input to the air pollutants. A lot of air pollutants are released from this dumping site, this landfill site, the Gazipur landfill site, which is spread in more than 72 acres. And if we will consider the overall garbage which is lying on this landfill site, it is approximately 200 million tons, which is called as legal